Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about headache after using spectacles and how to manage it. Here, those are using spectacle, headache is one of the most common problem for them. In this video, I am going to discuss about after using spectacle, if someone feel headache, then how you will manage it. So guys, let us going to discuss about headache after using spectacles and how to manage it. A patient is prescribed glasses and sent home satisfactory, but a day or two he comes with complaint of headache. This is how one can proceed to pinpoint the diagnosis. Number 1, something to be done on the part of optometrist, that is incorrect prescription. Even slight error of power, especially cylindrical or wrong axis of glass, may cause headache. Due care must be taken while prescribing the power to any patient, especially those who are involved in reading, writing, watching TV for long hours or working on computer. Next, if refraction error has been over or under corrected, rectification in prescription should be done accordingly. It means optometrists must be check the power very carefully, and especially those patients are using cylindrical power, check them 3-4 times to ensure it's accurate and consistent. Next, number 2, something to be done on the part of optician. Here, if power of spectacle does not match with prescribed power, then change the glasses as per prescription. It means prescription power and spectacle power should be same. So, before fitting the power in frame, check the lens power, it's same with prescription power or not. Next, even change in size of glasses sometimes makes the patient uncomfortable. Patient should be explained about the cause and frame may be selected accordingly. It means those patients' previous power and new prescription power is different. For them, explain new power is take some time for adaptation. Next, if the patient spectacle glasses are not in centered properly, they cause discomfort. Proper centering should be done. Tilting of glasses introduces cylindrical power and changes effective power of lens, which makes a source of trouble. Patient should be advised to wear spectacles properly. Here, spectacle center and pupillary center should be same. So, wear the spectacle frame properly. Next, if patient complains of glare, prescribe anti-glare glasses. It means if patient complains of glare, then advise them to wear anti-reflection coating lens or photochromatic lens. Next, number 3, something to be done on the part of patient himself. Here, if power of glasses is high, like in aphakia or high myopia, there is peripheral distortion of image. Patient should be advised to look through center of glass and not through peripheral of glass. It means we should advise them to wear spectacle properly and look through the center of the lens. Next, a new user spectacle takes time to adjust with bifocal and progressive glasses. He should be advised to wait for some time and try to adjust with glass. If some patients cannot adjust with bifocal and progressive lens, then it is better for them to use separate pair of glasses for distance and near. It means those patients are going to use first time bifocal or progressive lens, for them advise wait some time and try to adjust with glass, and those patients cannot adjust with bifocal and progressive lens, advise them to use separate pair of glasses for distance and near. Next, some patients take time to adjust with new pair of spectacles. So, if a person is well adjusted with previous glasses and there is not much change in power, advise him to continue with same glass. It means those patients old and new prescription power are almost same, and if patient is comfortable with old power, then it's better to advise them to continue with old glass. Next, patient does not like glasses or is not in a habit of using glasses. He should be explained the advantage using glasses and should be encouraged to use glasses. It means those patients does not like to wear spectacle. For them, explain advantage of using glasses and encourage them to use glasses. So guys, hope you all have understood the headache after using spectacles and how to manage it. Thank you.